Thinking time is a term used to describe the period during which an individual engages in reflective or contemplative thought. Hi, my friends, Kamlesh here. I'm a soft skill trainer, corporate trainer, and train the trainer. And today I will be talking about the thinking time, which is very important for each and every one of us. So, thinking time, it refers to the time set aside for thinking, brainstorming, problem solving, planning, and processing information. Thinking time can be essential for making decisions, generating creative ideas, and strategizing. In various contexts, such as business or personal development, individuals may allocate specific blocks of time for thinking and reflection to enhance productivity and creativity. This might involve stepping away from daily tasks and distractions to focus on thinking deeply about a particular topic or challenge. Thinking time can take many forms, and now I will enumerate some of them. Number one, meditation. Practicing mindfulness or meditation allows individuals to clear their minds and focus on their thoughts and inner experiences. Brainstorming. In a group or individual setting, brainstorming sessions provide dedicated time to generate ideas and explore creative solutions. Planning. Planning sessions involve organizing thoughts, setting goals, and creating strategies to achieve those goals. Problem solving. When faced with complex problems, individuals may allocate time to analyze the issue, consider potential solutions, and weigh the pros and cons. Effective journaling. Writing in a journal can be a form of thinking time, as it allows individuals to explore their thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Strategic thinking. In a business context, leaders often set aside time for strategic thinking to develop long term plans and initiatives. Overall, thinking time is about intentionally setting aside periods for mental processing and reflection to improve decision making, creativity, and personal or professional growth. It's a practice that can lead to more effective and thoughtful action in various aspects of our life. Thank you, my friends. I hope this video helps. And if you like, same, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.